So this is exactly how to delete or move objects in Waterpark Simulator. So to be able to move it, we need to firstly enter the building menu and then we'll need to click on the move button. So because I'm using a PlayStation 5, you can see for me it's square here. So you can see I'm now able to move it to wherever almost, I guess. Maybe here is okay. And I can do the same for this right here. So I can move it, for example, maybe here is okay. I believe here is fine. Yep. So you can see now I moved it here. Maybe it's not the best. Actually, I'm going to have to move it elsewhere. But let's say I want to be able to destroy or delete something. Then I can just grab the sledgehammer and you can find it right here if you don't have one. So this is the sledgehammer that we need to get. I'm just going to get this one here and then destroy the slide because, yeah, why not? So you can see the slide is now destroyed. And basically, this is exactly how to actually do this.